Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Check out this giant tumbler that was sent to me as a gift. I am loving this. So I am a drink junkie. If you know me in person, I literally have a drink with me all the time. I typically am drinking some kind of vitamin, supplement, drink concoction that I've made. And this has been so phenomenal for keeping it nice and cool, keeping it from spilling, and just making it easy to drink. So first off, they come in lots of different colors. I have the pretty pink one. It has a nice silicone base, so when you're setting it down, it's not clanking metal, which I love, or damaging any of your furniture. You have a nice grips here, so your thumb you've got a good grip, and it's got it underneath there too, the handle. I don't know if you can see that, but good grip. So if your hand is a little wet, you're not going to slip. The straw is nice and built in. It's got the flip top. That is the only way to use this cup. It does not have a separate sipping option, but it works for me because I'm a straw girl. But this is just top notch. It's keeping my drinks cool. It's helping me to keep hydrated, and I am just absolutely enjoying it. So I hope you love it too.